Today we'll talk about how can you change your time zone on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in first you just click on manage down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you will find here settings, just click on it. So then you go down here, you will find here business info, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you come to time zone, click in this sign. So then here can you change your time zone here in this list on your Wix app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.